Okay, scholars, we're going to be starting our new unit, Earth and Space. Okay, on page 75 and 74, we have our student expectations. We're only, in this unit, for Unit 7, Chapter 7, we're only going to cover the highlighted expectations. So if you want to grab your highlighter and go ahead and highlight what I have highlighted here. Then turn to page 77. The date today is 12/7/15. Over here in the corner, we're going to look at 5.8D. And your title is Physical Characteristics of the Sun, Earth, and Moon. So if you'll go ahead and write those on top of your flaps and get your date, corner, and title. Open up your sun card. You're going to color your sun yellow, and you're going to fill in these facts about the sun. It is made of gases, the largest mass in our solar system, which is not the universe, but in our solar system. It provides energy. It has cool spots that are called sunspots, and it has solar flares, which are energy surges. It is not the largest star, but the closest. It is 93 million miles from Earth. And that's close compared to all the other stars in our solar system. Next, open up your Earth flap. You're going to color the land green and the water blue. And then you're going to fill in the facts about Earth. And it's made of rock. It is one of the 4 inner terrestrial planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the 4 inner terrestrial planets. That means they are made of land or rock. It has an atmosphere. That's what keeps our oxygen in, and that way we're able to breathe all of our air in. It has liquid water. It is one of the few planets that we found that has liquid water. We can only find frozen or water vapor. It revolves around the sun. One revolution takes about 365 days or 1 year. It rotates or spins on its axis, which is an imaginary line. It's kind of at an angle that the Earth spins around. Okay. One rotation takes 24 hours. This is what causes the day and night cycle. Then open up your moon flap. You're going to color it gray, and you can darken in the circles on it. Those are craters. If you want to label it, you can. The moon is also made of rock. It revolves around the Earth, and it takes about 28 days per revolution. It is 1/4 or 1/4 as big as Earth, with 1/6 of the gravity. It reflects light from the sun. It does not actually shine on its own. It reflects. The moon does rotate, which means it has an axis and that it spins around on that axis. It takes about 27 to 28 days per rotation. So its revolution and its rotation are the same length. And that's why we actually only see one side of the moon. Okay? The same side always faces us because it rotates the same speed as it revolves. So get all of that copied down. And then go back to page 76. You're going to choose 2 from Sun, Earth, and Moon and compare and contrast them. Okay? If you want to just do a table and tell me, Sun over here, Moon over here, and tell me how they're alike and how they're different, you can do it that way. Or you can do a Venn diagram. And you can list the Sun over here and Earth over here and tell how they are alike or different. If you would like more information than what I gave you, you can go to BrainPop And Brain Pop actually has a Sun, Earth, and Moon movie we're going to watch in class tomorrow, but if you would like to get a sneak peek ahead of the game, you are more than welcome to. Hey, this is your homework assignment. I expect you compare and contrast whichever one you're choosing, Venn diagram, table, or any of the other options from the back. I expect it to be completed and in class ready to go tomorrow. Have a good night, scholars.